has a half-filled 3s orbital, what atoms or ions could it potentially be? This is a blank periodic table that we're going to fill in with our electrons up to the 3s orbital. Alternating spins, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So by filling up to the 3s orbital, the half-filled 3s orbital, we have 2, 10, 11 electrons. So atoms and ions, potential candidates. Ions, for the most part, range from -3 to +3. Don't really have many +4s or -4s. And even more common, and even +3s and -3s are not very common right there. So let's figure out what ions are going to have a +2, +1, neutral, and then just go to -1. So if we have 11 electrons and we are looking for a neutral atom right here, then we need something that has 11 protons, because 11 electrons, that negative charge is going to be canceled out or neutralized with 11 protons. So an atom that has 11 protons is sodium. That is the only atom that has 11 protons. What if we were looking for an atom that has a +1 charge? So if anything has a plus charge, that means that it has more electrons. And it has one more, if anything has a +1 charge, that means it has more protons. That means it has lost electrons. If this atom or ion has a plus charge, that means that it must have an extra proton. One extra proton to cancel out and exceed the 11 negative electrons. So one extra is 12 protons. So we're looking at a magnesium with a +1 charge. X with a +2, an element that has dose extra protons. That means that this thing has more protons than electrons. How many more protons? Dose more protons. So an aluminum with a +2 charge could also be this ion or atom. Let's go to the other side. An anion with a -1 charge. Anything that has a negative charge means that it has gained electrons. It has more electrons than protons. So if this element has more electrons, it has one more electron. That means that we have 10 protons present, and we're looking at a neon with a -1 charge here. I hope this helps. Thank you.